Guys, natakam ba kayo? For sure, mas lalo kayong magkikrave ng juicy and crispy lechon since dito tayo ngayon sa LR's Lechon.
Hi, I'm Gil Cuerva, your host for this very savory episode of Straight from the Expert. Maraming sikat na lechonan sa Metro Manila, mga lechon restaurants na galing sa Cebu, at syempre mga established lechon restaurants like LR's Lechon.
I believe yung word na lechon is coined by the Spanish during that time. But even before that, yung mga Filipinos, yung ating mga IPs ay talagang nagro-roast naman ng iba't ibang klaseng hayop bilang ito ng kanilang mga ritual at tradisyon.
Alright guys, so nandito tayo ngayon sa LR's Lechon and kasama natin ngayon si Joanne. So,
Hi guys.
Joanne, quick question lang. How did you guys come up with the name LR's Lechon?
LR's, it's letter L and R. It came from the surnames of my lolo and my lola.
Okay.
It's Lontoc and Rodriguez.
Ah,
So
okay.
we put it together, it's LR.
Up to today, nagka-try pa rin kayo. You guys are
Yeah.
very busy, very
Oo
jam-packed.
nga.
Ano yung reason behind nun?
We started 1970s pa by my lolo. He started it. After then, yun, parang we stuck to the traditional cooking of the lechon. Yun, hanggang na yun pa rin ginagawa namin.
Pero bago natin tikman ang pinagmamalaking lechon ng LR's, tikman muna natin ang ilan sa mga Filipino dishes na ino-offer nila.
Di ba usually ginagawa ng iba yung mga leftover lechon, ginagawa nilang paksiw?
Yes.
The perfect bite, sabi nga nila. Grabe, Joanne, ang sarap ng paksiw.
For paksiw, you can buy extra sauce. Like, kunyari, may leftovers yung lechon. Pwede kayo bumili ng extra sauce namin. Tapos, yun yung gagamitin yung pang paksiw.
Well, ako, by default, automatic, it's paksiw. Ang paksiw naman is very basic, no? Sa akin, ang mahalaga lang dyan is walang natatapon and it really shows our resourcefulness as Filipinos.
O, dito naman tayo sa lechon sisig. I'm excited to try this one kasi tayo mga Pinoy, lahat tayo may sarili tayong spin or take sa sisig. So this one, lechon sisig naman.
We use the head of the lechon mismo. Ginagamit natin yung utak ng lechon.
Crispy pa din. Crispy siya. Crispy pa din siya. Crispy yung lechon.
Sa iba kasi, di ba, parang hindi siya lechon.
Yeah.
So, kami, lechon sisig.
Lechon sisig
Yeah.
talaga. Hindi siya pork sisig. It's lechon
Yeah.
sisig. Sarap. This is the perfect bite. Of course, hindi tayo pwedeng umalis ng LR's without trying their famous lechon. I want to try the crispy balat. So, ito na yon. Look at that. Look at that. So crunchy, so juicy. So guys, every Christmas, nag-order talaga kami ng LR's Lechon. Staple to sa mga Noche Buena namin. I always look forward to eating the skin pag kumakain ako ng lechon. Since parating na ang Christmas, is it safe to assume na usually tuwing Pasko yung pinaka busy na season for LR's?
Sobrang busy pag Pasko.
Malakas talaga ang lechon tuwing
Yes.
Christmas season. Usually, kailan yung best time mag-order in advance?
Mid-November.
Mid-November
Yes.
for Christmas. For
Yes,
Christmas.
yes.
Wow! Kung mid-November and yung Christmas is basically end of, December.
Yeah, oo.
More than a month in advance
Oo.
para lang mag-order, no?
Over the years kasi, nag-evolve ang pattern ng pagkain ng mga Pilipino. Gaya ng sinabi ko, bago pa dumating yung mga Kastila noong unang panahon, talagang ang mga katutubo natin ay nag-grill or nag-roast na ng iba't ibang hayop as part of their ritual. Ngayon, naging main food ito or celebratory food sa mga hapagkainan ng mga Pilipino dahil may panahon na hindi naman siya commercially available katulad ng panahon natin ngayon.
Yung sauce namin, unlike others na na liver sauce usually, diba? Sa amin hindi liver sauce. Well, secret actually.
Ooh.
Pero hindi siya liver sauce.
So, ito na yung special sauce ng LR's Lechon. Yung secret sauce nila. Manamis-namis. Tsaka parang may vinegar ba or something?
Yeah.
May vinegar din siya. Oh my God, bagay na bagay, swak na swak. It fits perfectly for the lechon. Sarap.
Ang perfect lechon definitely is dapat, syempre, malutong yung balat. Yung pinakamaganda dyan is yung quality ng pork. Hindi dapat ma-compromise. Pipili ka ng magandang pork para kahit maluto na siya, hindi siya mag-shrink at yung moist siya.
Joanne, gano'ng katagal usually niluluto yung lechon mo?
So, yung mga maliliit na lechon, like mga 20 kilos, 25 kilos, 2 to 3 hours. Bigger lechons like 30 kilos, 35 kilos, 3 to 4 hours.
3 to 4
Minsan 5. So, matagal siya. We roast it sa Rizal pa, sa Rodriguez Rizal. So, we have to transport it, through trucks, coming here and to all our branches. We can't cook it here kasi mausok eh. Oo. We roast it in our roasting pits.
So what makes yung lechon nyo stand out sa other
I
restaurants?
think because the skin of the lechon, it lasts for hours. Crispy pa rin siya. Tapos yung laman, juicy pa rin.
Well, we've heard a lot of great things about lechon. It's very delicious, and actually the place we decided to visit was Joanna's choice.
Well, we're working together on a tour for the group that's visiting the Philippines, and our destination management company brings our guests to the best places that have to do with cuisine. So LR's is known throughout the Philippines for not just how delicious the food is also, but how reliable, which is so important for visiting clients, and that's why we chose LR's.
Alright, Joanne, thank you so much for having us here sa LR's Lechon.
You can visit us in Eller's Lechon on Facebook and Instagram.
Now that we've learned more about lechon at napuntahan natin ang isa sa mga sikat na lechon houses dito sa Quezon City, it's time we get creative dahil ano ba ang hinaharap natin pagkatapos ng mga handaan? Eh di syempre, leftovers, di ba? So it's time we get creative and spice up things as we show you many ways you can reuse your leftover lechon dishes. Join us in the next part of our episode. See you there.